first.
It'll be on YouTube if you talk.
Bah! I talk a lot. Hee 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 hee.
Better than Seafair. No, the better.
Maneuvers are down there. Might want to move over a little bit so the telephone pole's not in the way. You know, like here. Right here, you're between the telephone pole and the tree. Ah, earwig. Or something.
What? Come on. You just wanted me on the web, don't you?
No, I'm just doing it to get audio on your video.
Holy crow. Way better than Seafair. But Quality Foods spends thousands of dollars on this.
They're just sponsoring.
I could just put up on the internet from my laptop. Delete the videos once they're up.
The city's burning up! Oh no! We're all gonna die! It's crabs. Oh my lanta!
Ooh, you're missing good ones.
Yes, Jedi strength flows from the Force.
The music is a Simic class, isn't it? Or however you say it.
What?
A Simu class through the Sun FM?
Simulcast.
Oh.
It's not that.
Ooh, that's a big one. What's the pop, 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 pop?
That's the ones you can't see. So those short ones that are probably screens marks.
The autofocus on this camera is really screwy.
That's what she said.
It does everything else fine, but fireworks it doesn't like picking up.
Tinkle, tinkle. Show the man the big bucket. There you go, that's a little better. Yeah, see the sparks? That's what you get. Ooh.
Probably the finale. I don't understand why Seafair doesn't shoot them high enough.
Some of them are easily done by Seafair.
Maybe just my apartment.
Look at all those trees in the way.
From my apartment?
Yeah.
Whoa, that was cool. What? Like those ones, don't you?
They were the outer ones at Seafair.
Because this is Quality Food's second year in Powell River, that's why. Let them get time. Shooting stars.
Hey Matt, just so you know, he's got his camera going, so not too loud talking. When he's finished going through all of my cards, got stuff ready for cards for tomorrow. He's getting almost all my unlimited, which is a stack like that. And then he's getting a 1,000-pound box for packs like Oh, I'm I don't know about 100 decks, but probably pretty close.
Smiley faces.
I didn't even dig into my set box.
I went to see the final day of the festival lights with the Chinese, and they had a couple of fireworks I've never seen
It
before.
wasn't the Chinese actually doing them. It was
Well, something like
it
that.
was a tribute to China.
Okay, that's what I meant.
Ooh, big go. Wee, big go.
Those ones really look like X-26 kind of in my side.
I remember going to the fireworks for Expo 86. It's one of the few things I can remember about that.
But the trip to China, I never seen those loop-to-loop.
And the lines. Oh my god, the lines.
I never seen those loop-to-loop fireworks before.